Welcome to our Energy Storage Q&A series. I'm Julie Davis, the VP of Sales of the Energy Storage Division at ATX Networks. Today, we're going to be answering some of the most common questions we receive on reliability and sustainability. We'll talk about lifespan, performance, and why our Eureka modules are an eco-friendly choice. Let's dive in.
How long do Eureka hybrid supercapacitors last?
So our Eureka modules are built to last. We offer 20,000 plus cycles at 100% depth of discharge, and we offer a 10-year warranty. So depending on how often you're cycling them, they're going to last you for a really long time. And that's going to help with reducing having to replace your batteries so frequently.
What makes Eureka a set-it-and-forget-it solution?
So our Eureka modules require no maintenance. So once they are installed, they operate effortlessly. So that's going to be eliminating the need for you to maintenance them regularly. So that's a perfect set it and forget it solution.
Are Eureka modules reliable during outages?
Absolutely. Eureka modules kick in instantly when they detect a power outage. So you will have no interruptions and your systems will continue to run seamlessly.
What makes Eureka eco-friendly?
So our Eureka modules support a greener future by reducing the need for fossil fuel. We also offer a much longer lifespan than traditional batteries, and we are fully recyclable, which is helping us towards a greener future.
Thanks for watching the ATX Network's Energy Storage Q&A series. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments on social media or send us a note on our website. You can also watch the next installment of this series at atx.com/energy series.